What's up, everybody? I'm still on my year off vacation from YouTube, but wanted to check in with you guys and show you what I can find around here about hurricane prep. I'm sure that they're going to cancel Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow night, but they haven't announced it yet. So let's take a quick look around Universal Orlando. Now it's called North Campus. We're not going to do Volcano Bay because it's too far, to be honest. But let's see what we can find. Really quickly, let's look at the progress on the expansion of the Universal Studios store. This was rumored to have opened with the new location, but why not whip the camera out a little more? But obviously didn't. But coming at some point. And of course, PCL. Looks like they took out all their tables and umbrellas and things from the Wiener Hall of Fame. And that's where I live. The apartment, that's where my dogs live. Yeah, like I ever say on topic. Not sure why these work walls are here, but over here, back on topic, they are striking or at least they lowered the stage here at Citywalk, obviously for the hurricane. Also, not right now, obviously, but they do park the boats for the water taxis under the bridges on the water taxi path. Now, hopefully when we get into the parks, we'll see that the lagoon in both parks is lowered, because what happened a few years ago is it flooded. But I don't know. Not sure they've done what they're doing. They probably just didn't want to drain it too early either, which makes sense. Gotta love the whole Halloween village over here with the pendants. And over here should be the pumpkin stacks, or what I really should call them jack stacks. The banners are rolled up. Oh, also, if I sound a little stuttery, I've been up since 9 p.m. and it's 11:19 a.m. So, sorry. They've had lights up on top of the arches before, but they weren't visible before, so I think those might be new instruments. Let's go into USF. Taking all the scrims down and minimize this. Should I go right or left? I think you said right. As usual, the flags are rolled up over here by, I don't know how to call it. Oh, the awnings are taken out for something wicked, which is coming this way. And we got a random light on. The scare zone is empty during the day anyway, because the props are all brought out at night, so that the streets are open overnight for third shift. Wow, I just realized this is a tribute store, but there's nothing out here for it. Interesting. I don't know if it's been like that for a while. I haven't been here very often. They just got confirmation it is because of the hurricane. I figured, but that's a lot to move. They haven't yet, but this gets rolled down and I might go somewhere else. Some of this is covered because it's graphic. So it looks like they're out here working on it now. The portal signs are gone. ADD time. Remember how this just opened? Well, Shrek Swamp is closed again. It was closed on team member preview as well, because it wasn't quite finished, I guess. If you're wondering if Troller Coaster was refurbished and is smoother than Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster, no, not even slightly. It is just as rough. I was really hoping it wouldn't be, but it is. All the food prep equipment is gone as well. Like I said, they have not announced. Horror Nights will be canceled for Wednesday the 9th. It will. Not official though. They took down the sign for that stupid show. And some more over here. And of course, like I said, all of the signs in the portals are taken out for right now. As of right now, they have not drained the lagoon here. Looks about right where the level is normally. It doesn't take very long. Hopefully they're going to take a few feet of water out of here, like really lower this, because it's supposed to be a really wet storm and we've had quite a bit of rain in the last few days already. So I'm sure they know what they're doing. They just haven't done it yet because, you know, show quality. I understand. Makes sense. Using the official entrance. All right, so the Death Eater stuff is still out. Looks pretty sturdy, including their little stage here. Wasn't here for this, but I'm already standing right here. I got my phone out, so why not? this little photo op is looking even more sad than it did when they took away the Wolfman. They took the few props they had in the scare zone out, or at least some of them. And I don't know why I didn't realize this before. These cables, which are decorated with what I assume is gaff tape, I believe those are extra cables just to add more rigidity and strength to the truss. Makes sense. Yeah, it's gaff tape. Continues. Beat Builders Hurricane Edition. They've taken everything down they need to, just leaving the scaff. It's, you know, minimal service. This is what they do with their merchandise booths as well. Put the sides down and then shrink wrap it. I don't know, it works. Over at Islands of Adventure. Also, when I was over at Studios, I forgot. Might as well show the wait times. Wait, don't tell me. On this somewhat recently installed screen, which in person looks a lot better than it does. It's got a moire pattern, but certainly looks a lot better than the garbage I had here before. That's for sure. See Icy Falls, at least it used to say that. Hope you hold up a little better this time, River Adventure. Don't lose any walls. Work walls. Don't see anything obvious in the Wizzy World. Over in Lost Continent, I mean, they always roll up the awnings in this area for hurricanes. Oh man, I do not miss this stupid fountain. Wasn't planning on buying anything, but Coffee Shop of Horrors, always a good choice. Another couple views of all the awnings pulled up for Lost Continent. I keep saying that. Whoops. Over here, finally, fire eaters. I know this is weekend, I could do better, but walking through here step by step, I see absolutely no storm prep. Boo, I know. Well, on the way out, the awnings, I guess, have been taken down from this store that a lot of people just kind of walk by. All right, well, there's not nearly as much to show you in Islands of Adventure, but that is everything. So I am still not sure if I'm going to be back next year. I'm still trying to figure that out. So indecisive. Well, maybe not. Am I just indecisive? I think I am. No, I'm not indecisive. Maybe. Well, sometimes. I think I'm indecisive. I'm not really sure. But this will be the last video for this channel. Should be the last video for this channel for the year. So thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. On the way out to Citywalk, there are a few more things rolled up. Mostly just banners. No, I'm